How to change your Shopify theme. So once you're logged into your Shopify account, on the left side, go to Online Store. Now make sure you're in Themes. And as you can see under Themes, the current theme that I'm using is named Origin. So to change this theme, scroll down and then under Theme Library, click Add Theme and then go to Visit Theme Store. So in this page, you are provided with various theme options that you can choose from for your store. Though most of these themes needs to be purchased. So if you want to use a theme that is free of purchase, what you can do is to go back and then just under theme library, you will see this section popular free themes. So these themes are free of purchase. So to see more options, just click this button, Visit Theme Store. So to filter those themes that are free, just tick the box beside free under price. So there are 13 themes that you can choose from. So just click on the theme that you want to use and then click Try Theme. Now once that theme has been added, scroll down under Theme Library, you will see this tag Just Added. So just click the button Publish. And then to confirm this action, just click Publish. Craft is now your current theme. And so that is how you change your Shopify theme. Thank you and have a great day.